In this module, we look at the roles, responsibilities and mission of the Energy Management Systems Operations Committee. Let's quickly recap the definition of an energy management system. It's a system defined by an organisation to improve the performance of energy supply and energy use. Important elements include identifying the energy uses you need to manage, understanding the significant energy uses, identifying what you should do to improve energy performance, setting up a strategy for the operation of your energy management system, and establishing an effective action plan. Managing in a way that lets you implement your plan, continually verifying savings quantitatively and evaluating activities, including system performance checks and improvement procedures, and most importantly, supporting the system with effective documentation that ensures operational consistency and sustainability. Your Operations Committee is the team that takes the lead in your energy management systems operation. It ensures the rest of the organisation is familiar with the direction and requirements of the system. The committee members act as facilitators for all energy management operations, including improvements that help the workforce to comfortably adapt to the operation. The Operations Committee's main task is to set the energy performance improvement strategy. The strategy is a game plan to achieve the targeted energy performance improvements using available resources. It's to enhance business outputs by increasing energy efficiency, increasing both the business's sustainability and its competitiveness in local and global markets. The entire workforce are players in the operation of the energy management system. The Operations Committee members facilitate increases in the intensity level of the system's operation. The Operations Committee groups significant energy uses in order to manage them in a more focused way. The groupings are called Energy Account Centres. Energy performance improvements are evaluated per Energy Account Centre, or EAC. Over the next 3 slides, we'll demonstrate how an energy account system is formulated. Here is a sample factory floor with indications how it is occupied. The premises act as both factory and company headquarters for this profitable business. By grouping the significant energy uses and assigning performance responsibility for each grouping in terms of energy cost, a series of Energy Account Centres, or EACs, can be identified and established. Here's that factory floor plan again, this time divided into EACs, Energy Account Centres. It's organised according to the scope of the energy management system, with SEUs, significant energy uses, grouped by the Operations Committee in a way that provides them with best control over the performance. Utility service providers are also included as Energy Account Centres. This table of EACs, in terms of the factory's original business organisation, correspond with the divisions on the floor plan on the previous page. The Operations Committee can adopt various structures depending on the culture of the organisation, how they operate, how they're organised, and how they assign responsibility for SEUs. In setting up an Operations Committee, the most important components are top management's commitment and involvement, and what leadership structure will best draw support from the workforce. And here are the recommended players ranked to form an Operations Committee structure. First, top management and the energy manager. Then supply side and demand side representatives providing leadership, line staff, an advisory board, a quality assurance team, and a key component is the assignment of EAC area representative team members. You want energetic and talented individuals to represent EAC, acting as spokespersons for the working environment they represent. They do not have to be official members of the committee, but they need to report to the energy manager, as they are normally getting things going for the committee. Here's a sample Operations Committee organisational chart. Pay attention to how the EAC area representative team is organised. And here's a summary of the Operations Committee's mission. It is the decision-making and command centre for the operation of the energy management system. It's responsible for the objectives and targets of each EAC, as well as the pursuit of continual improvement. It ensures compliance with laws and regulations following the ISO 50001 guidelines, even if the organisation has no intention to seek certification. It selects talented and motivated EAC area representative team members, and it ensures that the workforce runs the energy management system competently.